a great choice today with the 2019 Ford Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size the whole world round. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo radio, passenger airbag on/off switch, power door locks, power windows, bucket seats, rear head airbag, brake assist, auxiliary audio input, steel wheels, rear wheel drive. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.